Jake from Sc10. We're just going to finish up installing the rest of the stuff on the rear differential. So this is what we got. Got the dog bones, we can slide them in here. Right like that. That looks great. Stick that back on here. Nice. I like that. Wow, huh? That's awesome. Let's see, we'll stick that one. Get this brace up first. There we go. That's in there. Wow. Look at that, huh? Awesome. That is awesome. Alright, so let's just finish up and putting this in. And take this. We got this cover that we can stick right on here. Let's clean it off real quick. Alright, that goes right on there. Let's get that other screw out of here. Where you go? Doesn't want to come out. See it though. There we go. Got it. We're good. Alright. Let's put this cover back on. There we go. Put that on. There we go, that was nice. So we put it on the bottom, and put those two screws in there. Alright. Oops. I'm gonna push them in there a little bit. There we go. Yeah. There we go. Put this on. I'm gonna take this off for a second. For the bumper, get a lot easier. Put the other bolts. There we go. Alright, so we got this one, we got this one, we got this. Slight little correction for the next one in. Perfect. Alright, now let's slide this bumper in on here. And we're gonna spin it in. There we go. That's on there, that goes on there. That looks nice. Slide this bolt in on this side. There we go. It's working. Let's move this guy over here. There we go. Get through the new housings. Almost there. Like I said, you can't forget where you put this bolt. Alright, let's see if we can tighten that up now. There we go. Now let's get these two bolts. One. Oops. One right here. There's the other one. Just put them up in here. Get that elevators in there. Get that one in there. Alright. That's good.